So in this question, I was asked to find the case to the last element of single list. So for this one, I will have linked list. And let's say case k equals 2, so it will point here. So I need to return my 4 value. And how will I do it? So first of all, for this question, we need 2 pointers. We need a first pointer and second pointer. And the way to find the k is the case from the end. If we additionally move first pointer by k, and then start moving them together. So by the end first hits null, my second will point to my case element from the end because the difference between them will be k. So now let's write the function. So I need function that's print k node from end, and it receives the k. And a node. Or head. Doesn't matter, it receive them both. And then I need to check first of all that I have k. And then I need to check later if I have node. So let's say that if k lower or equal than 0, so it's not an actual number of whether nodes, because nodes have to have whole number, or k equals undefined, then I have nothing to do, then just return. And then I need to declare my first, which will be equals to head, and I need to declare my second pointer, which is also will be equals to head at the beginning. And then I want to go through and move my first k element from the beginning. So I will do for where I equals 0, I lower than k, I plus plus. So I need to see that I actually have a node. So if f equals null, then I have nothing to move, then just return. Else, I don't need else here because f equals f dot next, and then I move, this is the way I move my f to point at the case element from the beginning. And then I close my for, yes. So now I can move them all. So while f different than null, so until f not null, I will increment them both. So f equals f dot next, second equals second dot next, and then when my first pointer will reach null, that means that my second pointer will be exactly at the case from the end, because this is the difference between them, and then I need to return s dot value of my second, and this is my function. I need to call it with print k, and I will need to give it k, which will be 2, a node which will be head, and the complexity of this, I think of n, because we basically go once through all linked list.